Sometimes me just come here. Sometimes I just come here. I don't come here for no reason at all. I just drive come here just to see this. Just say, oh, it's possible. Cause my God. Yo, them say them call this manifesting, you know, them say, yo, you never know what can happen, you know. Never know what can happen. Dog. Yo, that looks so good on the camera. We are in Beverly Hills at the world's famous Rodeo Drive. In Beverly Hills, this is considered as one of the wealthiest streets in California, where the wealthy come and shop. Now, sometimes I shop here. I used to shop here, like buy a whole heap of clothes and things, but I look into it now. Wish me to get back some of them money that on my waist. I buy all of them Gucci and Louis and Dior and... Now, really and truly, the only thing I'm interested in when we would have consider like luxury is watch. But this place look amazing, and sometimes I just come here for just be around certain things and feel certain energy. I always tell a man say energy important. And some of the time, you don't have to spend money or you don't have to do nothing, but if I even feel like find a place, a city, or a place in a city where you live like this, for just, I don't know, find something to eat, you know, go somewhere for chill. Sit down, look out. If it's even a Starbucks, sit down, take out your laptop, do some work. You never know what can happen. It's funny because I can just stand up right now and a man just walk up to me and be like, hey, let's do some work, you know, da-da-da-da. It's amazing, trust me. And I trust me have some very, very good shots to show you today, so. Let's go and enjoy the vlog and enjoy the streets, you know. Telling them I do some different things. I hope you appreciate it and enjoy it. So leave a like, a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. You see me?
I live inside my own world of make-believe.
You see, the thing is, while when we come here, it's just for walk up and down. Not always a sense of direction, not always for a purpose, but it's just feel like going to some environment with some different things and some different people. You know, one of the weirdest things is because I shoot this, every time I walk, somebody will look at me. Weird. But because this is Hollywood, everybody understands film. So it's not weird to see a man walk with a camera crew following him. You know, so I'm not really shame. Make them sit over there, so. I'm hungry, you know. A food I can buy now. I can actually buy some feed right now. Or I can season some chicken with them in my yard. But I'm going to go season some chicken and I'll save my money, you know. I'm going to go season some chicken. You want a freestyle?
Nah, hold that shit. Hold that shit. This is a music video. Alright. This is where we freestyle at. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Alright, hold up. I need some space though. I'm gonna spit. I'm gonna spit hard. You ready? Yeah. Oh yeah. Let me hold that. Got your girl sucking on my dick. Made that shit quit. Big Sal, he f***ing rich. Big Sal ain't f***ing bitches. Big Sal be f***ing your missus. Big Sal, hold up. Big Sal, he be f***ing getting shit done. Big Sal got a big ass. Big Sal will come in your mouth. Big Sal is f***ing out. Big Sal is like a water sprout. All over that face. Rolly is my face. Big Sal won't catch a case. Big Sal is not f***ing no Big Sal ain't no snitch. 6'9", kiss my Big Sal is rich. Big Sal is not no BMW. Suck on my Big Sal drive a Benz. Yeah.
Hey, Big Sal cost about 10 million bad a while ago. You have to clip out some of that. Yo, so you see what I'm talking about? How random. Bear in mind, you know. I wasn't doing this to stop nobody or nothing, you know. Somebody just passed me and said, yo, see camera. And instead of them run from it, them just run towards it. Now see it now, we have a viral moment. Let me explain something to you. The quality of the clothes is not the reason why the clothes price a certain way. It's how you brand yourself. So never you get it twisted that is me I try like show no how to spend money or glorify things when we're kind of insignificant. I am doing this to show you that the importance of branding. Yeah? So it might cost them $50 to make a shirt. And them can sell it back for $1,500 or $15,000. But it's because of the work what them put in over the years determine them price. So you see, if you go price yourself for anything, just please be sure to price in the amount of work you put in and how long it take you to get where you want to get. Because luxury brands do that. Some of the time you buy something, you just buy the name alone. Hey, that's the most expensive supermarket in the world to blood clot. That's a Ferrari. They said donkey say we're on a level. But although the world on a level, you can figure it out eventually. Exactly. You can level it. You can level it. You know? Donkey say we're on a level, but you can level the world. Just find your little piece out of the world. Yo, you see the thing with them place here? You always can find some diamond in the rough. Now, you don't really have to come here and buy clothes, you know. You don't really have to come here and buy clothes. I feel like you can just come here for just look around and capture a certain vibe. Life is funny. Some of the time when you look on where you come from in comparison to where you're there, actually insane. And some of the time if you don't take time to sit down and appreciate where you're there, you're not gonna realize where you come from. Well people, this is just me showing you guys Rodeo Drive. I'm about to leave now. I hope you enjoy the views. Go and look around on the place.